What's up YouTube? It's Jess back with another video. Today's video will not be trip related. So today's video I just wanted to make a quick review of this lovely product right here. Just so you know, this is not a sponsored video at all. This is Garcinia Cambogia. I think that's how you say it. This is not sponsored, promoted, or anything. I genuinely wanted to try this product and I am super pleased with it, so I'm going to discuss how this works. So first of all, can we just acknowledge how much of and fuckboy this outfit makes me look? I don't know. I didn't really think about it until I put the camera on, and I'm just kind of looking at myself in the viewfinder like, oh. Alright, we're just gonna go with it. This is a weight loss supplement. I usually don't really give any diet pills a try because the ones that I have given a try, they didn't work at all. But my mom actually had this, and I saw she had it one time and I was like, Mom, what is this like Kardashian sorcery that you have? Because I'd always heard that this was like, this is a big thing in Hollywood. I've seen like tons of articles about it, so I was a little bit curious to know how it worked. My mom had it, she was kind of explaining it to me. So basically what it does is you take, at least with this one, I think other ones it's a different amount of pills or dosage, but with this one you take 3 pills 3 times a day. And I just got this at Target. Take them 3 times a day, 30 to 60 minutes before your meal. And what it does is it pretty much just like gives you no appetite. Like it cuts your appetite off. And I mean, it doesn't completely get rid of it. Like you're still gonna eat, but you get full a lot easier. And it also apparently makes your body not hold on to fat, so you're gonna digest it really fast. And I've almost completed this entire bottle, which had 100 tablets. I've been taking it for about a month, maybe? I don't think I'm doing that math right, so correct me if I'm wrong, but I've definitely seen results. I've lost about 15 pounds on this from this point last year. I'd been losing weight prior. I'd lost about almost 30 pounds since this point last year combined with this, but this was like, I was having trouble getting that like stubborn 15 pounds off, and this has totally helped me. So I highly recommend you just give it a try. It's completely natural. There's no side effects. It hasn't given me any bad side effects. It doesn't like make your heart race or anything of that nature. It's not like a Fedra or anything like that. It's completely natural. Garcinia Cambogia is actually, if you can see, it's like this like green pumpkin looking thing that comes from like South America or the Amazon or something, I don't know. And yeah, so it's completely natural. It's just that like crushed up into a pill. So with it, I've been eating a lot healthier. I've cut out like all processed food. I've cut out all sweets, which has been really hard for me because I love sugar. I've cut out alcohol. I'm pretty much just eating a very organic, almost vegan diet. And I don't know if I'm actually going to stick to that for very long, but for right now, it's great. I feel awesome. I feel alive. And by the time summer rolls around, I will have my bikini bod ready to go. Alright, so yeah, I just wanted to make a quick review of Garcinia Cambogia. And let me know if you've tried it and any crazy weight loss story you've had from using it. I would love to hear. So, alright, that'll be it for today's video. Okay, have a good one, bye.